children and adults, I hope you're well. In this video, I'm going to introduce to you the set speed block, which allows us to set the speed that a character moves across the screen. The story behind this project is going to be Kitten and two of their friends having a race in the park. So let's first of all change the background to the park. By selecting it and pressing the tick button there, we can see Kitten in the park. Let's move Kitten down to there and let's add some more characters. So we press on the plus button below the Kitten character. Let's add tack. So we select tack and press the tick button to add them. And let's also add one more character. Let's have dragon. So we select dragon, press the tick button, and there's dragon. Now dragon's a bit big, so what we're going to do is let's use the shrink option and press it a few times so that they are a better size. There we go. Okay, and we just leave that on the side there. That won't affect the program. It just makes dragon a little bit smaller so that we can get them all on the screen and it looks a bit better. Great, okay. So first of all, we're going to code Kitten. And what we're going to do is we're going to go, first of all, go to the yellow category and select the green flag start block. We're then going to go to the orange category and we're going to select the set speed block. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to say, go to the blue category and select the right movement block. And then we're going to go to the red category and select the end of program. So let's have a look. We'll put our grid on. We're at number 3 at the moment. So let's get them right off the screen. So let's say 18. Great. Turn the grid off now. Now, what we can do with the set speed block is, can you see there's a downward arrow there? If we click on that, it gives us 3 options to how quick they want to go. So let's have Kitten going really quick. Now, we now need to code the other 2 characters. We could do them individually again, but it's going to be the same code, but just at a different speed. So if we grab onto the code and carry it over, we can actually drop it onto another character. So when we click on tack, already you can see that the code's been copied across, and that saves a lot of time and is really, really useful. But what we're going to do, we're going to change the speed to medium, and then again, we're going to grab it, drop it onto dragon. So dragon now has the code copied across, and let's have dragon going the slowest. So what should happen is Kitten, tack, and dragon should go to the right across the screen. Kitten should be the fastest, then tack, then dragon. Let's see what happens when we press the green flag. Fantastic, look at that. Brilliant. So let's reset that. Let's see that at full screen. Brilliant stuff. And if we want to edit any of that, we just make it smaller and we can edit our individual characters. Well done. Thank you for watching. I hope you found that video useful. If you're watching this video on YouTube, the next video will appear somewhere on the screen shortly, and all you need to do is click on that to access the next video. If you want to see all of the videos in one place, please go to mrvullo.com/ScratchJr. I'll add the link in the description below. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. All my contact details are on my website. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.